In this video I will show you how you can check your Gmail password in Gmail. So first step is open the Gmail application. Okay, then I'm just select the email which I used on daily basis. So just click on this profile or logo, then click on manage your Google account. Then you can see many options, so you just click on this security option and scroll down, and in last you can see the password manager. Click on password manager. When you click on password manager, you can see here is the password of my Google account. Just tap on google.com. When you click on google.com, this page required password, but don't worry, just close it and open the iPhone setting. Then you can see this page is setting of iPhone. Scroll down, just click on password. After this you can see google.com. Just click on this google.com. You can see my username, email, and my password is hidden, so you can find your Gmail password here. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.